Which rowing machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Drypex Magnetic Rower. First up is the Drypex Magnetic Rower. Priced at $169.99, it caught my attention with its sleek black and orange design and solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews. If you want a full-body workout in a compact package, this is worth a serious look. It has a sturdy aluminum frame, ensuring stability while you row, and can support users up to 360 pounds. Plus, the dual slide design offers a smooth experience, accommodating users from 45 to 65. The app compatibility means you can track your metrics and take on challenges without leaving your home. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being tricky. If you're someone who likes DIY projects, this could be a fun challenge rather than a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly machine that provides a solid workout experience. Skip this one if you want advanced features or are over 65 tall. For the price, you get a lot of value here. Now, if the assembly frustration sounded like a hassle to you, the next option might actually be a breeze to put together. Product number 2, MERACH Magnetic Rower. Next up is the MERACH Magnetic Rower, priced at $249.99. This best-selling rower caught my eye with its upgraded electromagnetic resistance and sleek design, boasting a respectable 4.3-star rating based on 364 reviews. If you're serious about a smooth rowing experience, this one is worth considering. So what makes this machine a standout? The electromagnetic flywheel offers stable power and a quiet workout, which is perfect if you have family members around or live in an apartment. With 16 levels of resistance, you can easily adjust your workout intensity, and the MERACH app provides free courses to enhance your experience. Plus, it's designed to be easy to assemble, which is a bonus. However, some users noted that the app connectivity can be buggy at times. Now here's the thing, most people found the machine operates well without relying too heavily on the app. If you're someone who prefers a traditional workout without tech frills, you'll still enjoy this rower. This is perfect for you if you're looking to blend technology with a solid workout. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward machines without app integrations. For the value and features, it's a solid option. Alright, that was a great choice. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a comprehensive workout experience. Product number 3, YOSUDA Rowing Machine. Moving on, we have the YOSUDA Rowing Machine for $239.99. With a strong 4.4-star rating and over 2,500 reviews, this one grabbed my attention for its high-power magnetic resistance. If you want versatility in your training, this is definitely worth checking out. The extended slide rail design accommodates users up to 62, ensuring that everyone can enjoy a comfortable rowing motion. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity with the YOSUDA app offers real-time metrics and engaging workouts. However, a few users mentioned issues with the seat comfort during long sessions. I'll be real with you, if you're planning on using this for extended periods, you might want to consider adding a cushion. But the benefits definitely outweigh this minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you enjoy engaging in interactive workouts and need a machine that grows with you. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler or don't want to deal with app connectivity. For the features offered, it's a great value. Now, if you're not sold on Bluetooth features, the next machine offers a straightforward yet effective approach. Product number 4, Sunny Health and Fitness Rower. Next in line is the Sunny Health and Fitness Rower, coming in at $199.99. This machine impressed me with its 360-degree full motion capability and a solid 4.4-star rating from nearly 7,000 reviews. If you want a more dynamic rowing experience, this is definitely one to consider. With 12 resistance levels, you can easily customize your intensity while enjoying the comfort of an ergonomic padded seat. Plus, it's compact enough for smaller spaces, making it an ideal choice for tight home gyms. However, some users found the assembly instructions a bit vague. But here's the thing, most people manage to piece it together without a hitch, and the quality of the workout makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a dynamic machine that saves space and works out multiple muscle groups. Skip this one if you prefer traditional rowing machines with linear motion. For the price, it delivers an engaging workout experience. Now, if you want a more traditional feel while still keeping things efficient, our final product is just what you need. Product number 5, Wenoker Magnetic Rower. Finally, we have the Wenoker Magnetic Rower priced at $259.99. With a strong 4.5-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's caught my eye for its combination of power and compactness. If you're looking for a rowing machine that balances performance and space, this one is worth a look. It tracks your metrics on an LCD screen, showing everything from time to calories burned. Plus, with a comfortable seat and sturdy frame holding up to 350 pounds, it's set up for both comfort and durability. Some users felt that the monitor could be a bit difficult to read at certain angles. But honestly, it's a minor issue considering the performance and quiet operation this machine offers. It won't be a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, effective workout experience without taking up too much space. Skip this one if you need a more advanced monitor. For the features offered, it strikes a good balance between quality and price. To wrap it all up, we've covered 5 solid rowing machines today, from the budget-friendly Drypex to the more advanced Wenoker. Each option has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what features matter most to you. Remember, the best rowing machine is the one that fits your needs and helps you reach your fitness goals.